Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the couldn't find your Google account error. This is a common problem when trying to sign in, and I'll walk you through the quick fix. Alright, so when you see this error, it usually means one of three things. Either you typed your email wrong, your account is deleted, or you're using the wrong sign-in page. Step 1. Double check your email address. Even when one wrong letter or extra space can cause the error. Step 2. If your account was deleted recently, go to Google's account recovery page at g.co/recover. There, type your email and follow the steps to restore it. Step 3. Make sure you're signing in on the correct Google page. accounts.google.com. Some apps or websites might redirect you to a fake or outdated page. If you've tried all that and still get the message, try using another browser or clearing your cookies and cache. That often fixes it too. And that's it. You should now be able to sign in without seeing that error again. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.